Good morning viewers. In this video I would be discussing with you Adra Nakshatra. Adra Nakshatra spans from 6 degree 4 minutes in Gemini sign to 20 degrees of Gemini sign. The ruler of this nakshatra is Lord Rahu or north node of moon, and since Rahu is the ruler, so this nakshatra is related with the transformation, changes, innovation. And though Rahu was a demon in Hindu mythology, but he was very much tricky type, and always wants to do something independently, or wants to transform something. So these people have such type of nature, especially if you have moon in Adra Nakshatra, or if your ascendant is in Adra. And accordingly different planets have different flavors depending on their natural significance and their house placement. And the symbol of this nakshatra is actually a teardrop. Okay, so these people are somewhat a cruel type, or you can say that a cruel type in the sense that they are somewhat short tempered, or they get angry very soon, or you can say that so these people always like to work hard to achieve something. And since one more symbol of this nakshatra is diamond, so as we all know that a diamond is always inside Earth's crust, and it comes out of it and shines even more brightly after going through various transformations. So this feature is also seen in this type of Adra natives. Like means they work very hard for achieving something in their life, and then they go various transformations in their life, which is very painful, and then they come out of that very bravely and shines even more brightly. And these people are also very much innovative type, and slightly tricky type also. And their thinking is very different from ordinary people. Means you can say that they have means out of box thinking. Okay, uh, and they want to do something different in this society for removing social levels too. Like you can say that today we see many social activists, or like who are fighting for LGBTs, or who are doing something research work in Arctic Circle or Antarctic Circle, or you can say that these people, many people who are into this field of researching about aliens too. Uh, and one more thing is that a deity related to this nakshatra is Lord Shiva, but it is Rudra form of Lord Shiva. And in Hindu mythology, when Lord Shiva opens his third eye, then you can say that a storm comes, and very much destruction is created. But that destruction is for creation of something. Okay, means for something means you have to create a new world order for for means for welfare of society after destructing it. Means after destructing different social levels of society. Okay, so these people always have such type of thinking. And actually this nakshatra is good for materialistic gains, but it's not good for living entities. Like if you have Venus in Adra nakshatra, then because of this type of thinking, their whole life revolves around love, relationship, breakups, because they like to think very independently related to that relationship issues, and the people in front of him or her cannot understand or adjust with his or her feelings. And actually these people are different from Mrikshira natives. Mrikshira natives want to enjoy life in a more uh, luxurious way, and they are slightly, you can say, flirty, and they are like honeybees who wander from here to there in search of anything. But these people are very much different from them. These people are, you can say, they want to be independent or dynamic, and do something innovative, and you cannot bind them that you have to do this thing. They want to listen to you. Like you can say that in forest area, king king is the sorry lion is the king, and so, or you can say, Tarzan of forest area. So these people are like that. And one more thing I have seen that these people want to change the world order in their own way without listening to anybody. And so they have different, and different planets have different type of flavors accordingly. If your seventh lord is in Adra, then that's not good for married life, and you will change your business very frequently. And if your Saturn is in Adra, then also you will change your profession very frequently, since this nakshatra is related to transformation and changes. So one more thing I have seen that that's it. And this nakshatra is very good for materialistic gains, as these people have different type of innovative ideas and they implement them and get success in life after very hard work. So this was the crux of this. Okay, if you have found this discussion useful, please do like, subscribe and share my video. And if you have any queries related to this, please write in the comment section below. Thank you.